What are you doing? There's her binky. She's flipping that thing. Big yawn. Big yawn. Oh, sticking her tongue out. Look at her. She won't do it. She won't do it now. Why won't she do it?
I'm camera shy right now.
Are you afraid of the camera? Huh? Everybody wants to see you. Do a little dance.
This is a little head shake.
Oh, there she goes.
That's all.
She's like, just give it to me, damn it.
Alright. Say bye, Zoe.
Oh, she got her friggin' mitten off in that.
Ah.
Bye-bye.